After a long week of corporate work and family life, my kitchen has finally reached its limit. And I realized I can't truly focus and concentrate if my surroundings are cluttered. So today we are starting fresh. Just turning on the lights and emptying the dishwasher is the first step to feeling back in control. In Canada, we do everything ourselves. And some days the chores feel like a mountain. But I have learned to find peace in the rhythm. There's something so grounding about the sound of water and soap. I'm taking it one plate at a time today. No rush, just the process of making things right again. There is a quote I love. The objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness living within that same environment. And that's exactly what it is. It's the kindness to my future self, so I can wake up tomorrow to a kitchen that welcomes me instead of overwhelming me. Now for the part that I love the most. Desi cooking means grease everywhere. Grease is our permanent guest. But watch how the steam cleaner melts it away. You can use multiple ways to clean your cooktop. You can use steam or an oven cleaner, but I like to keep it natural and the safest way possible. With oven cleaner, obviously the cleaning is perfect, but I can compromise on the perfect cleaning and not compromise on the safety issue. So even after some cleaning with steam, there are some stains left and some discoloration, but I am okay with that. At least I am not compromising on my family's safety. Okay, just a thought here. Why should we spend so much time cleaning? Honestly, for me, it's the only time my brain stops overthinking. When I'm scrubbing the backsplash or wiping the counters, I'm not worried about my corporate deadlines or the kids' school schedule. I'm just here, wiping. Wiping away the grease feels like wiping away the stress of the week for me. You learn a lot about patience when you are trying to get those burned on stains off a stovetop. Cleaning the exhaust fan lids is a job I always put off, but in a Desi household, it's non-negotiable. With all the tadka and steam and spices, these filters work overtime. But you really have to get into the grooves. It's like life. The small things we ignore eventually build up and become a much bigger mess. I truly believe that decluttering and cleaning is the best therapy. When the world outside feels loud and busy, coming home to a space that is clean brings a sense of sukoon that nothing else can. It's not just about the counters, it's about the mental clarity that comes with it. Canadian dream comes with a lot of manual labor. You don't have the house help we had back home, but there's a different kind of pride in doing it yourself. You know every corner of your home because you have personally scrubbed it. Sometimes I feel I live two lives, the one where I am in professional meetings and the other one where I am deep down in the grease. It's a strange balance, but it keeps me grounded. I am curious, do you clean as you go or are you a weekend warrior like me? I wish I was the type to keep it perfect every day. But realistically, I just wait until it looks like this and then do a massive reset. And finally, the reward. A fresh runner, some flowers, and a candle to change the energy of the room. As a mom, I realized that a tidy kitchen isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a calm environment for my family to wake up to. That heavy feeling I had this morning, it's completely gone. Since our houses are closed up for the winter, I always end by plugging in the air purifier to clear out those cooking smells. Now the air feels as light as the kitchen looks. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me. See you next time.